Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 13th of March. I'm James Spann. Cool, dry weather continues through midweek with temperatures at or below freezing tomorrow morning and Thursday morning. What about that chance of rain over the weekend? Let's go in there and talk about things early this morning. Big trough over the east. Got a nor'easter spinning up on the upper Atlantic coast this morning with a lot of wind and snow for places like Boston and Cape Cod. Let's check our numbers. It's below freezing for much of North Alabama. Cullman, Haleyville, 29. Fort Payne, 32. Birmingham sitting at 33, one notch above freezing. These were at 5 o'clock. We'll probably go down toward the freezing mark by 6 or 7 o'clock this morning. And the numbers are fairly tightly clustered because the wind is still blowing. But tomorrow morning and Thursday morning, the wind should be calm, and that's going to allow the colder pockets to go well down in the 20s. Around the nation, pretty cold for mid-March. Hard to find any warmth, like the new surge of colder air nosing down into the Dakotas. There's the watch warning map this morning. Winter storm warnings in effect for the nor'easter up in the northeastern states. Down here for tonight, a freeze warning, and this is for tonight and early tomorrow morning, along and north of a line from Tuscaloosa to Clanton to Auburn. And we'll see a similar freeze warning issued for Thursday morning as well. Severe weather possibilities. This is day 4. There's no risk for the next 3 days, but on day 4, which is Friday, we have a risk of severe weather defined for Arkansas and North Louisiana. And no risk beyond that, and for now we don't expect any severe weather problems here on Saturday, which would be day 5. Rain for the next 7 days. Precipitation. Pockets of heavier amounts up in the northeast. That'll be all snow with the nor'easter. Out west in California, heavy snow there for the Sierra Nevadas. And down here, rain amounts for the next 7 days, over 1 inch for much of the state. And we'll talk about that as we go. Let's dig into this. This is the 06E GFS, valid today at 1 o'clock Central Daylight Time. We've got a trough over the eastern states and a trough off the Pacific Northwest coast. And there's the surface look. Nor'easter, 971 millibar low, producing intense wind and snow for Boston and Cape Cod today, the coast of Maine. But for us, breezy and cool, highs in the 50s, much like yesterday, the sky bright and sunny. Tomorrow we start the day below freezing, with lows, I'd say, between 25 and 32. The sky will be sunny, the high in the 50s. Thursday, again, will be at or below freezing in the morning. Upper 20s, low 30s. Colder pockets could see low to mid-20s. The day will be sunny, and we start to warm up during the day. The high should be in the upper 60s. That'll feel pretty good. Now, this is Friday, and you can see why Arkansas has got that severe weather risk defined on day 4. We have a surface low over Kansas. And thunderstorms are likely for Arkansas, Louisiana, maybe western Mississippi. And those could creep in here Friday night. We'll mention that in the forecast. A chance of showers and maybe some thunder late Friday, Friday night. The bulk of the day should be dry and mild. A good chance we see low 70s. Now, the weekend forecast about as clear as mud. Let's start with the GFS. This is Saturday at noon. And I know a lot of things are happening outdoors, and I wish we could have better clarity at this point, but this is Saturday, and this does suggest a chance of showers and storms, really mainly during the morning hours. And if this were to verify, the bulk of the afternoon would be dry. And Sunday looks dry with a chance of showers west of the state. And some of those showers could creep into South Alabama late Sunday or Sunday night. So this is fairly optimistic, but let's check the European. Let's see if we get any consistency here. And again, the idea is kind of much presented by the European as well. It's got a surface low. This is midday Saturday north of Memphis with a batch of showers and storms coming through, mainly Saturday morning. So again, the latest signals here suggesting the best chance of showers and storms Friday night and Saturday morning. and a decent chance we go dry Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. And what about Sunday? Boy, the European just looks bone dry. So we're going to scale back the chance of showers greatly on Sunday. We're tempted to take it out during the day and maybe mention the chance of a shower Sunday night with that next southern stream system, but the European's not showing anything at all. So these runs much more optimistic for the weekend. Go to Monday, back to the GFS. That looks dry and mild. We'll be up in the 70s if this verifies. And then a week from today, Tuesday the 20th, big upper low that's northwest of Los Angeles, troughing passing north of the state, showing another nor'easter and cooler air coming in here. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday the 22nd, troughing in the western states. Maybe some thunderstorms a little west of here. Check the numbers off the European. It's got us up close to 70 this weekend. And again, we might be warmer than that on Saturday if we can get the rain out early in the day. And then a shot of cooler air by the middle of next week, with highs dropping back in the 50s and lows dropping back in the 30s. But again, confidence not all that high with such model madness going on here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.